We'll go through this chapter, chapter 7. Take a look. Review. This is what we learned in Form 4. For example, there's a point 1, 2 here, a point 4, 6. That means 1, and then you add 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 2 and 6, from 2 to 6, 2, 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4 units. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 units. 4 units. And the length will be a Pythagoras theorem for this length. 3 squared plus 4 squared, square root. If you don't use Pythagoras theorems, you can use distance formula. It's the same thing. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 squared plus 6 minus 2 squared, and then you have square root. It will be the same. 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5. This distance formula. And for this one, point slope form, you learn it in Form 4. Path slope of form 3, -1, and the slope 2. I draw it here. Every point, this 3, -1, for example, slope is 2. That means when x increases by 1, left to right 1 unit, you up by 2 unit. Left, right 1 unit, up 2 unit, like this. This is slope 2. And I let a random point xy. Xy is on this line. This slope is same as this slope, is 2. Okay, I can say y minus -1 over x minus 3. The numerator is the change of y. The denominator is change of x. Is always equal to 2. If you plot the points like this 4, you will see x decrease by 1, then y decrease by 2, like this, like this. And if you expand this one, simplify this one, y plus 1 equals to 2 times bracket x minus 3. It is 2x minus 6. Is y equals to 2x minus 7. Y is the subject, slope is 2, y-intercept is -7. Or you can use the general form from the book. And for slope-intercept form, we can have something like this: 0, -0, 1, -4, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, left, and then up by 3. Up by 2. 1 to 3 is 2. And the slope of this is the same as this one. Okay, so I would say y minus 1 over x minus 0 is equals to 3 minus 1 over x -4 minus 0. You can have equations like this. Then you simplify right hand side and you do cross multiplications like this. And then you expand this, it will become this one: -2y plus 2 equal to x. So in general form, x go first, 2y plus 2y, and then minus 2, and then equals to 0. Or you can say y, 2y equals to -x plus 2 here. Y equals to -1/2 x divided by 2 and plus 1. 2 divided by 2. It's the same. And whenever you're given an equation, general form, you can always find the slope, x-intercept, y-intercept. You can always draw it. So, but I don't remember like this. I don't remember slope is -3 over 2, x-intercept is -7 over 3. Like this, it's difficult to remember. But I do like this. I connect it. I know x-intercept, y coordinate is 0, so I substitute y equals 0, and say 3x plus 7 equals 0, and I find x-intercept. And for y-intercept and slope, I will just change y as a subject like this. 2y equals to -7, 3x, and then minus 7. And then divide all the things here by 2, -3 over 2, and then 7 over 2, like this. So this will be the slope. This will be the y-intercept. And this is the same as this one. Okay, Let's turn to this page and do some exercise. For example, this one. The difference of x is 4, 2 minus negative 2, x squared. You need to find distant formula. 6 minus 3 squared, okay, this formula, equals to 4 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, you need to do it yourself. You cannot just rely on me. Passing through this, slope -1. This format. Y minus 6 equals to -1, x minus -4. So it's negative x plus 4. And it is equals to negative x minus 4. And then move this all to the left hand side. X go first, plus y. Negative 6 plus 4 is -2. Like this. For this one, you can just say y equals -2 x minus 6. Slope intercept form. You can use this one. You can do it at once. This one, passing with these 2 points, use this as reference. Slope y minus 7 over x minus -5. 2-point form like this. This 2-point form equals to the slope. The slope will be -8 minus 7 over -2 minus -5. And then you calculate yourself. The answer should be 5x plus y plus 18 equals 0. Maybe I do one more step for you. I will simplify this one first. And then left hand side will be this one. And then I multiply this to right hand side. Then 5x plus 5. And then y minus 7. Like this. And then continue will become this one. This x-intercept, you substitute y as 0, so it is -5 over 4. Slope, make y a subject, like this, and then divide by 2. This one divide by 2, this one divide by 2. So slope is -2. Y-intercept is -5 over 2. Oh, sorry. This is moved to right hand side, should be 4x plus y. So it is plus, 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 plus. And for x-intercept, sub y equals 0. 4x plus 5 equals 0. X equals to -5 over 4. So x-intercept will be -5 over 4 like this.